it's Alexa here. So today we are going to do a recreation piece. I was inspired by this lovely Instagram post here, and when I put it up, she actually liked it. So let's get started. I'm starting with a fresh face. I am putting down a little bit of a base. We're not going to powder over that just yet. We're going to put some contour on our face. We're going to do all of our face makeup first. You guys know I usually start off with my eyes. And I just put a little bit of some peach blush down, and now I'm highlighting actually with the white. I think it's going to make everything stand out a little bit more. Feel free to use whatever you'd like, but this is what I chose to use for the recreation piece. And then I started off one eye with orange and then the other eye black, just putting down some eyeshadow all around her socket basically. I excluded my brow bone. In the photo, she, I think, has her brows covered, but I actually did this. I actually wore this to work, so I didn't have time to do all that. I just put some black around my other eye. I'm rimming my eyes with a black pencil. Of course, I have my contacts in too. I really think that makes it stand out a little bit more, but of course, you know, feel free to use whatever you'd like. I'm just kind of dragging down the black, making it a little bit more smoky around each of the eyes. Of course, the black is going to look more intense than the orange. I'm making a pretty fabulous wing on both of my eyes, but you can only really see it with the orange because the black kind of eats everything up. And on the black side, we're going to make a spider web. And on the orange side, we're going to make some like goo dripping down. And in the picture, she had the black coming out of the eye too, like for the goo. But I just decided I wasn't going to do that for this recreation piece. If you're doing it, you know, straight out, please follow her instructions. Please follow the picture as best you can. But I was wearing it to work and I thought it was a little much if I did all of that. So I just opted to do the one side. So I'm using some orange. Here I'm using the goo drip. I'm using kind of like an aqua based liner for the orange and the yellow, and then I'm using some white eyeliner for the trick or treat. And I can't draw trick and treat. I can't draw words flipped. I'm not that amazing yet, so I just flip my camera. But please try your best if you are doing this like for real. Yeah, I just can't do that. I don't know. I'm not that good. Still, I'm not that good. It's really hard to do that. I'm just kind of outlining all the goo, just making everything look really stand out. And the spider web as well. I'm just added a little bit of like some purple gray around the black eye, just because of that look a little bit dull. I'm just kind of retracing some things. I'm filling in my brows with gray. Of course, you don't have to do this because her brows in the picture are canceled out. I'm adding some lips. I think she had black lips in her picture, but I just chose to use some gray. Putting on some lashes. You can use some mascara if you want to. I was actually having not some eye issues, but I was just been putting on a lot of Halloween makeup. I'm actually filming this year in advance this day, so I hope you guys enjoy this recreation piece. Of course, I take no credit in creating this. It is all from, I think her name, let's see, her name is Michaela Hiller. So that's her, at Michaela Hiller. She's from England. She's super amazing. Please go follow her and see all of her beautiful, fabulous tutorials. I love you guys so much, and I will see you on day 5. It's going to be a Halloween classic favorite. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy Halloween!